Hi everyone and welcome. I'm so excited to have you here for this Introduction to Interior Design webinar. One of the most common things I hear from people who are interested in interior design is, where do I start? Maybe you have a passion for creating beautiful spaces. You love decorating your own home, or friends and family are always asking for your advice, but you're not sure how to turn that into a career. Well, today I'm going to answer some of the biggest questions aspiring designers ask before taking the next step. And I'll walk you through what we cover in our classes. We'll talk about the essential skills you'll need, how to build confidence in your design abilities, and most importantly, how to leverage the talents you already have to create a fulfilling career in interior design. By the end of this webinar, you'll have a clear picture of what it takes to succeed in the industry and how you can start your journey. So let's dive in. Is interior design the career for you? Well, let me ask you a few questions. Do you have an eye for color, a passion for transforming spaces, and a desire to create beautiful functional interiors? If you've said yes to any of those, you're halfway there. Discover what it takes to turn your passion for design into a rewarding career and explore the exciting opportunities in the world of interior design. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm Wanda Colon, former host of HGTV's 24-Hour Design for 4 seasons and TLC's Homemade Simple for 6 seasons. I'm the co-founder of the Academy of Home Staging and Design. I've been in the industry for over 20 years, and I love that being an instructor at the Academy inspires students to design beautiful spaces and lives. I'm dedicated to empowering my students with real-world skills and creativity. So, imagine getting paid to do what you love and having the flexibility and freedom to work on your own terms, choose your own clients, and set your own rate. It allows you to be creative every day. No two projects are the same. The job is an artistic challenge. I have been in the industry, like I said, for a long time, and I still say that I learn something new every time I have a new client. You're also transforming lives. You're not just decorating. You're creating homes people love, spaces that inspire, and businesses that thrive. Interior design is also prestigious, and you could be recognized as a leader in the industry with your designs being featured in magazines, online, and even on TV. Let's talk about the earning potential. How much money does a designer make? Entry-level designers can earn $50,000 to $75,000 per year. Experienced designers, $75,000 to $150,000 per year. Luxury and high-end designers, $200,000 plus per year. Top designers, who have celebrity and commercial clients, can earn up to $500,000 plus per year. Many designers also earn 6 figures working part-time once they establish their brand. The role of an interior designer is more than just decorating interiors. Designers are creative problem solvers who transform spaces into functional, beautiful environments. Their work goes far beyond selecting paint colors and furniture. They balance aesthetics, function, and practicality to bring a client's vision to life. As an interior designer, you will plan and design spaces that enhance comfort, efficiency, and style. You'll select colors and materials and furnishings to create a cohesive, stunning interior. You'll be working with architects, contractors, and vendors to execute these projects. I consider these industry professionals my partners in my business. You'll understand spatial planning to maximize flow and functionality and solve challenges related to lighting, acoustic, sustainability, and the client's needs. Interior design is both an art and science. It's about crafting spaces that tell a story, evoke emotions, and improve lives. Designing spaces goes beyond decor. It's a strategic process that blends creativity and logistics. Let's talk about the process. Client consultations, defining the needs, style, and budget. I consider this the foundation of a successful project. It's the first meeting with your client where you will have to build a rapport and set the standards for your working environment. Concept and planning. You will create mood boards, layouts, and space optimization. Material selection, choosing fabrics, finishes, and furnishings. Project management, overseeing budget, timelines, and installation. And the final styling, adding the finishing touches for the big reveal. Making the leap, transitioning into interior design career. Switching to interior design from another career is more common than you may think. Many designers bring valuable skills from other fields that help them succeed. Here are some examples of transferable skills from other careers. Project management and organization. Keeping design projects on time and on budget. communication and sales, working with clients and vendors effectively, creativity and problem solving, adapting to design challenges and clients' needs, business and marketing, running a successful design business, customer service, understanding and exceeding your clients' expectations, making money. Here are some ways interior designers make money. Client projects, charging per project, per hour, or a flat fee. E-design, providing virtual design solutions for remote clients. Furniture and decor sales, earning commissions from product sourcing and vendor partnerships. Luxury and high-end design, specializing in upscale clients with premium budgets. Real estate partnership, collaborating with agents to enhance property value. This is the beauty of this industry. You can tailor your services to your skill set. Understanding your clients' needs. Some seek full service design, while others need only guidance or sourcing help. Budgets vary. Some want luxury, while others prioritize affordability. Every client has different taste. Some may like modern, traditional, minimalist. There's so many different styles to choose from. Knowing your ideal client helps you refine your services and build thriving design businesses. Think about the types of clients you may want to work with. Here are some examples of those types of clients. Homeowners, individuals or families looking to renovate, refresh, or personalize their space. Luxury clients, high net worth individuals seeking high-end bespoke designs. Real estate investors and developers, those needing stylish, marketable interiors for properties. Short-term rental owners, Airbnb and vacation hosts wanting guest-friendly, stylish spaces. Contractors and builders needing design expertise for new construction properties. Turning your passion for design into a thriving career with our hands-on expert-led training. What you will learn: design principles and space planning. Master the fundamentals of functional, beautiful interiors. Color theory and material selection. Create harmonious palettes and choose the right finishes. Furniture, lighting, and styling. Learn how to curate stunning, well-balanced spaces. Working with clients and vendors. Develop the skills to manage projects and build strong relationships. Portfolio building and business strategies. Gain the tools to launch and grow your career. A traditional four-year degree isn't the only path to a successful interior design business. Many designers start faster and more affordably with our program. Fast Career Start. Learn the skills you need in days, not years. Hands-on learning. Real-world projects prepare you better than theory-based projects. Affordable and efficient. Avoid the high tuition costs and student debt. Industry-focused training. Learn practical design, business, and client management skills. Mentorship and support. Get direct guidance from experienced professionals. Portfolio-driven success. Clients and employers are more interested in your work than your diploma. Now we have two choices for you to pick from to help you get started doing what you love. Choice number one, take action now and start your dream career. How long have you been waiting? How many times have you said, someday? Dreams become reality when you take the first step. Our most successful alumni started with a decision to pursue their career and create the life they love. And you can too. Join the Academy of Home Staging and Design and get hands-on training, mentorship, and business coaching. 2 free business startup coaching sessions are included. Gain the skills, confidence, and support you'll need to turn your passion into a profitable career. This is your moment. No more wishing, no more wondering, just doing. Isn't it time you turn your passion into a profitable reality? Choice number 2, get a free advisory session. Let's talk. We know you have questions. Is this the right path for you? Where do you start? You don't have to figure it out alone. The Academy of Home Staging and Design offers mentoring and support every step of the way, even before you enroll. That's why we're offering a free advisory session to help you gain the clarity. There's no pressure, just expert guidance. Book your free session today because your career starts with one conversation. Call 800-574-5576. Stay connected. Join our community. Join our interior design and home staging business incubator on Facebook and get expert tips and connect with other professionals and build confidence. Thank you so much for joining me today. The next step is up to you.